Hey gang, welcome into the Grilling King. I'm Ryan Brown. Thank you for joining us for another very easy tailgate recipe. Today, we're gonna make it super easy. Sweet and spicy grilled chicken wings. They are perfect for your tailgate or if you're hosting a party there in your house watching some football. Before we get started though, just a few quick reminders. If you could please follow us on social media, that would be great. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and now Pinterest, @GrillingKing. That's where you find us on all social media as @GrillingKing. And while you're around, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Grilling King YouTube channel. We'll have great grilling, smoking, and in-kitchen recipes year-round. You can get all those on our YouTube channel @The Grilling King. And don't forget our website. Today's recipe and all recipes are right there on our website, thegrillingking.com. And that's where you go submit a recipe. And if we use one of your recipes here on The Grilling King, you get an Amazon gift card from us. All right, it's time to get on the grill. But first, we gotta get our wings ready to go on and the sauce ready to put on them. So let's head into the kitchen. All right guys, welcome to the kitchen. It's time to put our sauce together. All we're gonna do with this sauce is baste the wings while they're on the grill and then maybe put on just a little bit as we take them off. This is our sweet and spicy sauce. So we've got chicken drumettes here that we've just purchased at our local supermarket. All we've done is rinse these and then towel them dry with a paper towel. They're ready to go. And we got a 1/4 cup each of honey, balsamic vinegar, and this sweet Thai chili sauce. So all we do is combine all those ingredients, our honey, our balsamic vinegar, and our sweet Thai chili. And then once we've done that, we're just going to whisk all of these together. And again, all we're going to do with this is baste with it while these drumettes are on the grill. All right, we've got this put together, so let's head outside and get these things grilling. After coating the grill grate with olive oil to prevent the chicken from sticking, we place the drumettes on the grill over direct heat. Our grill is around 400 degrees. After 10 to 12 minutes, we flip the chicken. We'll allow it to cook for about another 10 to 12 minutes on the other side. About halfway through that time, go ahead and baste the side of the wings we've already grilled using the marinade we mixed earlier. As the wings approach 165 degrees, go ahead and flip again so you can baste the other side with the marinade. We'll baste and allow the wings to cook just a few minutes longer until they reach the internal temperature of 165 degrees. All right guys, our sweet and spicy grilled chicken wings have come off the grill. We've got our sides, our dipping sauces, we're ready to go. We even reserved a little bit of the sauce we used to baste on the grill, and you can continue to put that on these because it is terrific. All right, we're ready to eat these, but before we do, a couple of reminders. Please follow us on social media @Grilling King, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and now Pinterest. @Grilling King is where you find us on all social media platforms. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tons of great recipes being prepared right here on this very YouTube channel if you follow us with The Grilling King. And also this recipe and all of our recipes are found online, thegrillingking.com. Submit your recipe, and if we choose it and use it here on The Grilling King, you get an Amazon gift card. All right, this is such an easy recipe. I hope it enhances your college or NFL football weekend. We're ready to eat it here. Let's enjoy some football and some great sweet and spicy grilled wings.